You are watching Yoga with Amby. So what are you waiting for? Let's start.
Sit comfortably on your mat and gently extend your legs wide apart. Keep your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Bring the soles of your feet together. Extend your back leg straight behind you. Wrap your lifted leg around the standing leg. Shift your weight onto one leg and slowly lift the other leg behind you. Lying flat on your stomach on the mat, place your hands under your shoulders. Lift your hips up and back to form an inverted V shape. Shift your weight to one side, bending that knee while keeping the other leg straight. Lie back, place hands by ears, and push your body upward. Lift your chest and hips while breathing steadily. Shift your weight onto one leg and gently bend the opposite knee. Sit tall, lift your legs, and balance on your sitting bones. Extend your arms forward and engage your core. Place hands on lower back and gently arch backward. Lift your chest and keep your core engaged.